After testing Nordvpn, we recommend the service to our readers because it is very fast, extremely easy to use, and reasonably priced. Nordvpn is one of a growing number of VPN services that offers top-notch privacy and security. Using Nordvpn is like getting a secure tunnel over the internet that keeps all of your online data safe and private. The Nordvpn service is based in Panama, and it gives you access to more than 5,000 servers in 62 countries. Nordvpn is known for its very fast speeds, and we compared the service to some of its rivals, including the popular VPN provider Private Internet Access. Nordvpn offered faster speeds on all of our tests, which is important because speeds are a key factor in a good VPN. We also saw many fewer drops in speed, and Nordvpn worked better with our mobile devices. Nordvpn servers are optimized for streaming and other bandwidth-based activities. 2. We saw Nordvpn work reliably. 2. We tested Nordvpn on our home,